Today, let's talk about, as my videographer and I were talking earlier, we were talking about just being alone, being by ourselves. Now, I'm not saying that we're introverts, but I guess you can say in a sense we are. He said he is. But what I'm saying to you about that, being an introvert in business, if you are naturally an introvert, someone that just doesn't like to talk a lot, doesn't like to be around people a lot, and those sorts of things, there's nothing wrong with want to be by yourself sometimes in business. But if you have those traits and you don't want to take it upon yourself and get out here and promote your business, because it's going to take some form of sales, marketing, letting people know you exist. You have to hire someone for that. Hire someone, let's say, employ someone, hire someone, or build a team. However you want to define it, you have to do that. Now, if you're not good at doing that part, you got to bring somebody aboard your team to do that. So with that being said, now, if you are an introvert, that can be a good thing. You know why? Because if you're an introvert, 9 times out of 10, you like to be alone. You like to be in silent, a little solitude that's going on. So find some things that are a little boring, because people that are introvert, I believe they are okay with the boring task of businesses. And that is maybe researching. I love researching. I don't know, it just do something to me. Just give me goosebumps. I love that. Researching, possibly just creating. That's when you can really do something unique. They are people, I'm sure that I've studied a lot of successful people that were introverts in a sense by nature, but still you wouldn't think that they were introverts because they were out in the public. But being an introvert, it gives you a little bit more calmness to be behind the scenes and work on things. And like I said, you won't get bored. So that's just a little tad bit. Like I said, we were having that discussion, and I feel that all qualities can fit your business at some capacity. Don't let anybody tell you that anyone can't be in business. We all can, because the teamwork makes the dream work. Because team, the acronym is together, everyone achieves more. And with a team, you can achieve more. So just keep that in mind as you're just contemplating on what you want to do out here in the world with business, because you definitely, in these times, people, you need more than one stream of income, one stream of cash flow coming into your world, more than one stream. Okay. All right. See you. Bye-bye.